Hey guys, Ryan here, going to do a quick tutorial on how to add flag codes in Service Assistant 5. So let's get started. So all we have to do really is go up to here, up to settings in this little gear box. We're going to click on that. Now we could go through all these and look for it. I'm sure we'll find it. It's going to take time though. But right up here in this little search area, we're going to put flag. Boom, pops right up right here. We're going to click on it. And now we're in the flag code setup. So we can either edit flag codes, like let's say we wanted to get into this one and we wanted to edit it, or we can delete flag codes too. So what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to description. This flag code's called review. Oops. It's called review for AMA. Now, a quick habit on some of these features is you hit the tab key. So I hit tab and you see my little cursor move. I hit tab again, moves. We're up here, available. We want it available. Everything else looks pretty good. Expires. If we wanted this not to be available after a certain time, we could put an expiration date. We can change the color, the background color, the sort number. I'm not really interested in that right now. We just want to add this. For this flag code, there's no real need for it to be available on the internet. We don't really care that it prints on an invoice, or we don't really care that it prints on estimates. For certain flag codes, maybe we want it to print on an invoice that says like customer has sprinklers or something like that. But for now, we're just going to keep it as it is. We're going to hit add. We're going to go down and we're going to hit save. You have to make sure you hit save. It gives you the prompt right here to remember. Boom, we're going to hit save. We're going to hit OK. Now, I always like just to be able to pull these all up as much as possible, rather than looking through 25 and keep switching through pages. So I'm going to hit 50 right here. Now this brings down 50 results instead of 25. And right here, review for AMA. It's available and everything else is not available. Now, if we wanted to edit this, let's say we wanted to make it unavailable. We're going to click this little edit thing right here, this little edit button. And then we could make the changes right then. And then we could update it. And again, we'd have to go down and hit save. Or again, see, it defaults to 25. Or we go over here and we could go to, where is it? Review for AMA. And we could delete it if we wanted, we didn't want it anymore. But that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Until next time, let's keep going.